How to connect Wix to Google Analytics. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to have Google Analytics for one of your websites. So it's very easy, very straightforward. To first things first, select the website that you want to have Google Analytics connected to. For example, we have this website over here. So we're going to simply check it out over here. What we're going to do next is we're going to click on apps over here on the left side. Click on App Market. And in the app market, this is where you will be able to find everything related to adding additional functionalities or connecting platforms together with your Wix website. So over here, simply search Google Analytics. You can see, and you will be able to see all the apps that are related to it that would allow us to have Google Analytics on our Wix website. So simply navigate and look through the different Google Analytics over here, and there will be a Google Analytics option for us to be able to connect here. If you don't like this method, you could also visit googleanalytics.com or their website themselves, and you're going to have to register your domain or your subdomain of your Wix website to that platform. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.